Hi everybody, this is Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show. I'm just very quickly, I'm taking the advice of Big Daddy, and he said to make a video because this is something that he has asked me to do, and I don't know how to do it. We have a couple of holes in one of our blankets, and I'm in my bedroom, and this hole is massive. There's actually two of them. I'm going to show you the one because it's right where Big Daddy sleeps, and it's on his last nerve, and he wants me to fix it. So I'm asking for help and taking his advice and to see what you guys think we can do to fix this blanket. Personally, I think I need to just go buy another blanket, but I went to Target and did not see a nice lightweight woven blanket. That's what this is. It's a lightweight cotton woven blanket. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, I'm going to move his pillows. Sorry. Here it is. Here it is. Just to give you an idea, that's my hand. It is about a foot long and about 3 inches. And this, it's not the best blanket for having a dog on your bed. I'm going to say that because it's woven, you can see all the nips and nicks, and every time a nail gets caught into it. It's an older blanket, but it's the perfect weight for someone that is a heat pump, and he is a heat pump. He is always warm. He could sleep with just the sheet, but I need blankets. So this is the blanket for summer, and I'm trying to get ready for summer. My original thoughts were to try to darn it, but believe it or not, I started working on that with some sock yarn. It didn't match, but I could care less. But I started darning it, and it took 2 lengths. It took me like 20 minutes because it was just so tedious to get in here. I thought about making a crocheted patch, but I feel like this is such thin fabric, thin cotton weave, and so loose that once I sew a crocheted patch on, I think it's gonna, I don't think it'll hold up, because obviously this is where he pulls the blanket up or pulls it down, and now it's gotten out of control. Yeah. So there you go. I have no idea how to do this, how to fix it, if I crochet a patch, if I knit a patch. I'm not the most advanced knitter or crocheter, just so everybody's clear. I had the notion to get some flannel fabric and make a patch and just sew it and make a double-sided patch. And if your thoughts were just to put that at the bottom of the bed, that's where the other hole is. Oddly enough, if I flip this so that hole is at the bottom of the bed, there's another hole there, so in the same spot. So he must be pulling it up, pulling it down. He's grabbing it when he's in bed, and that's what's causing this hole to get bigger and bigger. At the end of last summer, I said, this blanket is done. Well, guess what? Here comes summer. It's coming back. We're in spring, and we put it on because the other blankets are just too heavy. I don't know what to do. I'm looking for advice. Leave me a comment below if you don't mind, if you have any thoughts on how I could patch this, fix this, or even if your thought is, Lisa, chuck it and go spend $100 and get a new blanket. Another option is, I should really finish that quilt, but my very first quilt is so much smaller. This is a king size bed, and this is a king size blanket. So I don't think I'm ready to make a quilt, and it will be ready for the warm weather when it's here for, a long extended period of time. And I don't think I have enough time. I'm not a quick knitter or crocheter, so we're looking at it's going to take me a month to get a crocheted blanket, and even then we have crocheted blankets, and I feel like a crocheted blanket is too much. It has too many holes, and our dog sleeps with us. I think that could be an issue because she'll get tangled in it, and her nails will stretch out the yarn. I don't know how else to say that, but if you know, you know. All right. Thanks for your time, guys, and I look forward to any hints or verifications that I just need to find a different blanket. And if you know of one, let me know where I can get it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.